We made it to the middle of the week, but there's no time to take a breath. Let's get into Wednesday's AI news. Japan Airlines and GMO AI and Robotics will deploy unitary humanoid robots at Haneda Airport to handle baggage, load cargo, and assist with aircraft towing. The machines run for 2 to 3 hours at a stretch, and the program runs as a trial until 2028. The driver here might be more demographic than technological. Japan's working-age population is shrinking while tourism keeps climbing, and this is exactly the kind of physically punishing, safety-critical work that robots could be perfect for. Though the airline says robots will support staff rather than replace them. Future phases include cabin cleaning, and if the trial works, expect every major Asian carrier to follow. The labour maths only goes one way. Google Quantum AI has shared an amazing result. Their Willow chip completed a physics simulation 13,000 times faster than the world's best supercomputers. The algorithm is an out-of-time order correlator used to probe how information spreads through a quantum system. It runs on the 105-qubit Willow processor, and the team says it can be reproduced on any quantum computer of the same caliber, which is what makes it verifiable. And that matters. Earlier quantum advantage claims relied on tasks no one could realistically check. Quantum echoes can be rerun, and the answer comes back the same. The practical edge is in modelling nature, molecules, magnets, black holes, systems classical machines struggle to simulate. If this verifiable quantum advantage holds up at scale, this is the moment quantum computing stops being a benchmark exercise and starts being a tool. Claude Code coding agents are fantastic at working while you get on with other things, but if you walk away, you're often left guessing as to when they need your input. But now, Anthropic has added push notifications, so your phone will let you know when it needs you. It's a small feature with an outsized effect on how people actually use these tools. Long agentic runs already encourage you to start a job and step away. The friction has always been the return trip. Checking in, scrolling logs, waiting on prompts. Pushing that loop onto the phone closes the gap. It also signals where coding agents are heading. The terminal stops being the center of attention, and the management of agentic work becomes far more important. The new Higgsfield Claude connector exposes Higgsfield's full visual stack. Seedance 2 handles multi-shot video with native audio. GPT Images 2 covers 4K stills with pixel-perfect text. Marketing Studio ships presets for UGC, Cinema Studio handles narrative work, and Soul ID keeps characters consistent across shots. One install, more than 30 models behind it. This is the pattern Anthropic has been pushing all year. Claude researches and plans, specialist services do the heavy lifting through MCP. The same connector also runs in OpenClaw, Hermes Agent, and NemoClaw, so the agentic crowd is covered too. Cursor has launched the Cursor SDK. It lets developers run agents from CI/CD pipelines, build automations across end-to-end workflows, or embed Cursor agents directly inside their own products. Agents can run locally on a workstation or in a managed cloud sandbox, and they can call Composer, Claude, GPT, or other models underneath. To make adoption easier, Cursor has open-sourced a handful of starter projects on GitHub, a coding agent CLI, a prototyping tool, and an agent-powered Kanban board, all sitting under the Cursor/Cookbook repository. Cursor is on a very interesting path. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. If you can go just one more step and support us by liking and sharing this video, we would really appreciate it.